the Duke.
Hello there.
Don't want to like put you on the spot, but now it's time to say something really profound.
That's what I'm trying to think of right now.
Like, how about, hey Dave, how about shutting that camera off?
Well, happy birthday, Ma. I hope you enjoyed it.
There you go.
Hope it was all a big surprise. Hope there wasn't too many leaks there that you caught on to it.
The other day you had commented on something on Facebook, and I put down, and I'll see you in a couple of days, and then I thought, boy, I hope Auntie Nancy doesn't get on
I didn't
Facebook.
respond to it. I sat there and I thought, well, there's enough leaks out there already.
Yeah, does she actually get on?
No,
Okay.
She could have got on.
The first thing I did was like, okay, I got on Nancy's and Amy's and looked at her friends list and yours, and I didn't see her on anybody's friends list, so I thought, well, surely the kids, at least one of them would have friended her.
She won't go. She
That's why I
can't.
didn't
She won't
respond
go.
on
She
yours. I was still there thinking
She
about
might
what I
not
was
turn
going
the
to
computer
throw.
on.
Oh, you were there?
I
I get on mine every day.
was on Facebook.
I don't have a
Uh-huh. But you weren't at the house.
No, I was down there in Gulfport.
I got you.
That Bob or whoever emailed or Facebook the
Yep.
my daughter's son corrected
Huh.
my face.
Yeah, as soon as I did that, I was like, oh, that's the kind of stuff, that's the loose lips sink shipped right there.
Well, we're up at the cottage up there, and Dave there forgot his toothbrush. And he said, if you're going to the store, give me a toothbrush. I forgot it. He was talking to my mom this morning. He says, I left my toothbrush at the house. He says, I'll forget it, because he was going to tell Mom that Aaron just bought one. So,
Yeah.
she almost
Yeah.